is happening?
What's up, YouTube? Hey, I am Laura LCO. Welcome to my channel, and here I am at the beach cooking for the very first time a vegan recipe, and I am very excited. This is super easy recipe, and I'm not vegan. However, I like trying new things. The first step is to cut the tomato in small dices as if we're making a pico de gallo. Okay, second ingredient is avocado. Make sure the avocado is ripe, otherwise it's going to be very difficult to cut it in half. So this is my technique to get the avocado out of the skin. I just cut it first with the knife and dices, and then I scoop it up a little bit with the spoon. So as you can see, I cut the tomatoes and the avocado, and those two ingredients are the main filling for the tacos. And I gotta say one thing, although there are only two, they are very nutrient dense ingredients. Like the avocado is the healthiest fat you can ever consume. Okay, so this is the third ingredient, and it's a lemon. I gotta say that's the sharpest knife I ever owned. After placing both ingredients in a bowl, I grab a fork and smash the avocado. Next is to add lemon juice, and if you prefer any spices, you can do some pinch of salt or cayenne pepper, whatever you like. I just like lemon. Lettuce is our last ingredient for the tacos. I'm always happy to try new things. This is my first time cooking vegan food. Super excited, super interesting. I am excited mostly because it is so new to me. I don't have any family member that ever done vegan. I don't even have friends that are vegan, so it's a new territory to explore. I use the other half of the lemon and squeeze extra lemon juice individually. I like to have my protein, so I added nuts to my tacos, and here they are. Check this out! Can you see it? Delicious! Alright guys, try this at home. Let me know. Like and check this out. I'm not gonna lie, I was enjoying those tacos and the view. Slow down, girl. Gone. Maybe I can become a vegan. Who knows? I'm gonna add in the description box where to get the waist apron. It's super cute. I like it. 3 pockets and very comfy. That was all for today. I hope you guys like it, and thanks for watching. it was kind of difficult to find the location, so here I am. I'm trying to find a way